and then for the inside, I just use the inside that joint of my finger there to smooth that round.
Oh, if only it was that simple. Well,
You have a large skirt.
yes, quite.
Quite.
Okay, so say this is a bit on the soft side. That's the tool that I use to do the fluting. So I divide it in quarters and then fill in each quarter. So,
And you're cutting in with that.
with a
The
corner.
corner
So it's the
part.
corner
Right,
really, so-
right.
And your cuttings are in line with one of those same sides. And did you notice there what I'm doing?
You're turning.
I'm moving the pot rather than the tool. And when I started making them to begin with, I was doing that, and at some point, quite unconsciously, I went to it and found that made a much steadier line, rather than pulling that. By
Okay.
moving it, I got a steadier line. So then, I cut parallel to that first cut, and continue until I meet the second cut.
So do I sort of slanting?
Nice.
Like so.
So they're parallel to the quarters.
Yeah. And when Jenny's complained about them being right-handed, I have done ones where I then cut in the other direction to meet.
Yeah.
So one set of cuts would work on the clockwise and one set on the anti-clockwise.
So it's just the corner that you're.
Yeah, you want this sort of stepped flute, as it were. And this, I say, this is a little on the soft side to be doing it, but it's coming out all right. And I found that if you did the ones where all the cuts ended up in the middle, you just get a mess. This is too many sort of fine lines coming together.
Because the one that Jenny favours is
It's
slightly
got-
spiral.
Yes,
isn't
and
it?
they're single lines going from the outside.
Yeah.
They're sort of wider spaced and.
Do you think? I mean, is that too big? Do you think that's too big?
Well, you could certainly squeeze an orange on it
Yes.
quite happily.
Yeah.
That's all right.
But you know, why not? I mean, this top bit will do a lemon,
Yeah,
fine.
yeah,
If
yeah.
it's a bit bigger,
Yeah. Yeah.
that's
And then
that's,
it goes down
that's
to
okay.
grapefruit, a small
Yeah.
grapefruit.
Yeah. And as it's a bit on the soft side, too, what I'll do is I'll do one of my handles